all my classes have a lab component, so my students are used to working in table groups of 4 as they navigate the lab curriculum. Often I work in case studies at this time. They'll peer review each other's papers and interact and get feedback on their methods, their results, their personal writing samples. I try to bring in some of this engagement into our lecture periods as well, and one of the things that I've been doing is spontaneous vocab recall in a group setting, and it's basically like the game Buzzwords or Taboo. So when students come in, they get an envelope based upon the previous chapter's vocabulary, and I need a volunteer. Sample student, the Hulk. When they go through, there are index cards that have a variety of terms that they should know for that chapter's information, and they would put it up to their head. So they can't see it, but their table group can. And so in this case, the Hulk has no idea what's on his forehead, and his table peers and collaborators would try to help him guess his word based using definitions, terminology, analogies, anyway, but they can't say any part of that word or use that word to define itself. So, for example, I could say, this is the powerhouse of the cell. And you might recall from your general biology class that would be the mitochondria. And if that's what the Hulk suggested, you'd have it correct, you could check, and they'd move on. The reason why I like this is it allows repetition and review, but also students have a chance to say these words in different ways. So it's not just me saying, this is the definition here. The mitochondria is where cellular respiration takes place. They can put in their own words, and perhaps one of the students will say something that another student says, oh my gosh, it finally clicks. And so that's just one of the ways and activities that I like to use in my classes to encourage student engagement, and they're still getting that student content.